Liquify is a powerful tool that shifts and distorts the pixels of an image. It can be used for simple reshaping and fine-tuning, or to create amazing artistic effects. Select it from the toolbar or use the Q shortcut key. 6 functions are available: push, enlarge, shrink, swirl right, swirl left, and restore. Distortions are applied by either holding down the mouse button over an area or by clicking and dragging. As Liquify is a destructive editing tool, it is advisable to work on a duplicate of the original image. The first function, push, moves pixels in the direction in which they are pushed or dragged. Size controls brush width. Slide left to decrease or right to increase. Strength controls the intensity and speed of the applied effect. Drag left for a lower rate of application, and right to make it stronger. Density controls the amount of feathering at the edges of the brush. A low-density brush will cover a smaller area from the center of the brush and provide a better transition. Higher density brushes will result in harder edges and more drastic changes. Experiment with different values for both strength and density. Lower settings affect pixels slower for better control and precision, and reduces the chance of affecting other areas, whereas higher settings will be good for quicker and more extreme adjustments. Enlarge bloats or moves pixels away from the center of the brush. Shrink does the opposite and moves pixels inwards to the center of the brush to minimize or compress areas. The swirl right and left functions will rotate and distort parts of an image in a clockwise or counterclockwise fashion. Paint over with the Restore brush to revert liquefied areas to their original state. High-quality preview simultaneously smooths out liquefied results as the mouse is being dragged. When disabled, anti-aliasing will only be applied at the end of the liquify process, when the mouse button is released. This will potentially reduce lag on low-end systems.